I am Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Today is October 24, 2018, Wednesday morning, 9:37 a.m. I am making this video about this new SBB Pro2 key programmer, and I just want to make sure everyone out there in the locksmith world know the truth about this, if it's good or is it not good or what. Because there's a lot of companies out there from overseas, they are setting this machine. And I am Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. I am about to let you all see some of this. I'm going to make another video pretty soon. I have not used it. I got it yesterday. Today is October 24th, 2018. So let's get started. I want you all to see, you will have to buy this. They only gave a cigarette lighter part for you to have. So I will be letting you know how to get you one of these. I'm going to show you everything, but I am going to make another video. Okay. Down at the bottom, you see the amplifier, the AC, DC. That's what you need. I took it from another one. I took it from the old SBB, so it works. And this what they're gonna give you, the cigarette lighter one. And it's gonna come with all the original stuff right here, the original stuff. I got mine from this company here. Let me make sure y'all can get this. That's who I got mine from. You can see the date and everything, the order date and the day it came. That's the company I ordered from. But China have many companies selling this, and they have moved the price. I see some price of $104, $119, $130. Some of them even $140, $145, $160. Now they started out selling it around $95. So you see the date when I order. Once again, this was what? And once again, you will get the cigarette lighter one. That's the box, bag. That's the company I ordered from. Now, this where I took the atmosphere, I took my thing from this one. The one that goes in the back of here to charge this will be the same. It will be the same. So let's get started here. Now you can download this printout from these people here if they still got it up there. Now from me cutting that machine on, it seemed to show that some of the 2013s, 14s, 15s, 16, 2017, all that. Now some of them, it show that it used tokens, and some of them it don't use tokens. Now right here it say no token limit. Well, that's what it say. But you can download from this company right here. And those companies that's on that internet, those are the ones selling it. The ones you see on YouTube videos, they not showing everything. They on the clicking, but I'm going to show everything. And they there's a bunch of companies selling it, so I know you all done went on there to see it. Now, if you see that I marked on here, if I hadn't put no kind of marks on here, it will do them vehicles. From me cutting it on now, I haven't tested it on no vehicles. But by me cutting it on and clicking on certain things, it will do them. I know we as Locksmith, we try to find the cheapest stuff we can to get these jobs did for the customer and charge them a reasonable price. But they got to understand some of this stuff gonna cost us to do these jobs. Writing. Where I did the writing is the vehicles that when you buy it gonna show the ones that gonna use tokens, and it gonna show the ones that's not. I kind of mark some of them. Like I said, I'm gonna make another video. Now it say no token limited. Some of the 2016, 13, 14, 15, 17, it will show no token, but these here are showing tokens. So like I say, I'm going to make another video. I am going to make another video. Plug this up. I don't want to dirt up my clothes and stuff trying to make this video.
Despite your efforts to drop off from that, I now know your new base of operations. Everything is sunshine and rainbows.